We have a clear path to $1 million a month. 12 mil a year, it's all right. It's not a lot of money, 12 mil a year. 100 mil a year, that's, now we're talking. So very simple, the AI system that we built, but it goes out and it sells treatments and services on behalf of clinics. So not like a cosmetic clinic, they sell like Botox, surgery, that kind of thing. Those clinics have a list of names, emails, and phone numbers. It's their database. People who have been to their clinic or have clicked on an ad for their clinic before. So my system will take all that data and will go and sell things to them. Sell them like Botox packages, BBLs, breast lifts. That's the beauty of it. They already have a gold mine that they're sitting on, but they don't even know how to use it. So I take something they already have and I make a ton of money from it for them. Then I take a cut of the money that I make for them.
How are you reaching out to these?
So we got the first couple by doing ads, but now we have partners in our partner program and they go and get the clinics for us. So they go sign the clinics, and because there's so much money in the deal, say we make 100 grand for the clinic and the clinic has 5,000 contacts in their database. The partner comes to us, they say, oh, it's Marco's agency, they sell to a clinic, and the clinic owner goes, yeah, Marco, I'll work with your agency. Yeah, sure, I can get you this result. Let me guarantee it for you. And then as soon as the client pays you, you give me the work to do. And I act like your team. You get all the credibility. You're like, oh yeah, this is what I did. I made you so much money in the business, but you didn't do anything. My team did it for you. And then you can just go to the market and keep selling more clinics. I just keep paying you. Essentially, you have an agency. It's called Marco's agency. You go and sell to clinics, and then you white label our service. Instead of you trying to get them new business, you give me the lead, and then I'll get the business for them. But I tell them that I work for you, so you get all the cred. So you go to the market, you can keep closing deals, and I just keep sending you money. Every time you close a clinic, I just pay you out. So instead of me going and having a sales team that's running outbound and ads, etc. for me, I have a bunch of partners that will go out, find the clinics, and then we run the deal and we clip them in on the deal. We make everyone rich. We make the clinic rich, we make the partner rich, we get rich as well. So if you want to get to $1 million a month, you need to have a product or a service that is infinitely scalable, that you can build and sell multiple times, that's high leverage, that generates value for other people when you take a percentage of that. So now you have uncapped potential. Most people online, if they're an agency, they'll go and sell media buying services. I'm gonna sell you Facebook ads for 2 grand a month. There's 1,000 other people selling the same business, but now instead of doing that, you can now take a percentage of what you make the clinic. If you make them 100 grand, you take 25%, you make 25 grand in the deal. So as long as you have all the right pieces to the puzzle, you can create something truly exceptional. And this is the whole point of what we're doing, is just creating like incredible systems and businesses that rely on other humans to execute for me. And I'm like Uber. I just connect everyone together. I get this person rich, I get this person rich, but then I connect in the middle and I take some cut as well. We have a clear path to $1 million a month. 12 mil a year, it's all right. It's not a lot of money, 12 mil a year. 100 mil a year, that's, now we're talking. If we do a software play, we can get to like multiple hundred millions if we build a software. But first stop, we'll do $1 million a month. Alex and I will get there maybe by the end of next year. I'm not sure exactly when, but we have plans. We're gonna assess what we're gonna do next, but we might just build a software, and then my system, I'll put it in a software and I'll just sell the software to people. This is more advanced business. Like what I'm sharing with you, I'm almost 30. Been doing this for 14 years. I'm 7 years ahead of you right now. But from 21 to 28, I've learned a lot of stuff. And if I had someone telling me at 21 what to do and what not to do, I would have been a lot smarter than I am now, and I would have been making a lot more money.
So don't hide my biggest target.
Beauty clinics, cosmetic clinics, Botox clinics. You know where girls go and get like their Botox done, they'll get their BBL done, their breast augmentation done. High-end clinics. And then the AI will package up everything for them, sell it to their customers. US, UK, and Australia. For us, I'm gonna crack the UK market because the UK market is in pounds, and pounds is double in Australia. So I've got 3 big UK clients at the moment. And once I crack these UK clients, bro, it's on. Because then I have the whole UK market I can open up. And all my partners, I'll be like, you 10 partners in the program, you go and sell in the UK market. Here's everything you need to go to sell. Go and sell, get deals, close deals. They'll go close deals, they'll go close 10 clinics. They bring the 10 clinics to my team, and then every clinic they bring, we say, oh, we work for Marco, oh, we work for Bob, oh, we work for Alex, oh, we work for Dylan. And then you get all the credit in your business. We just deliver for you. That's the business. There is clinics, and then there is people who want to make money online. The people who want to make money online, it's not software that will sell them, it's a program. It's the assets, it's the ad copy, it's the sales training, it's the funnels, it's the outreach. We teach you exactly how to go and get the clinics and how to close them. So we give you everything you need to achieve success, and then you go out, achieve success, sign clinics, and then we deliver for you. I have a bigger vision for what I want to do. I want to get everyone rich, and I want to build a brand new business model for the entire world, which you can make money online with, which is not the traditional SMMA or agency model, a model where it is uncapped. You can quit your 9-to-5 job and you can just do some sales calls and you can make 10 grand a month. And you don't do any work, you don't do any delivery. There's a bigger vision. Being more of an influential person in the business space, bringing something new to the world that people who are working a 9-to-5 job right now, who are stuck, that want to get out and travel the world and live in amazing countries and experience what we experience every day, they now have the opportunity to do so. And it's actually legit. It's not a scam. It's not someone selling you a program and then not helping you to deliver. The most important thing is having a great product. Most people online will teach you how to sell, but most people are selling terrible products. They have some sort of product or service they put together, like they get all excited when they close a sale, but then instantly they get scared. They have a deep fear because they're like, oh, now I need to actually deliver the service. But for the first time ever, you sign a client and you're just happy all the way through because then I deliver it for you. We're going to have the partners come to Bangkok. We're going to host a networking event for our first, the founding 100 partners. We'll fly everyone out to Bangkok, come to Alex's. We'll do like a retreat for a week. We'll have amazing people come through here. We'll have venues and events set up for us, network with guys, take them out to networking events. Yeah, just show them the life, man. And obviously we'll have like 8 videographers shooting the whole thing, making content. We only want the best people because they're going to represent our brand. The founding maybe 15 or 20 people, like these are the people that are going to build the initial part of the program. So they need to be exceptional people. They need to be able to sell well. They need to be able to talk well. They need to be able to hold themselves well. They need to be able to understand that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a real business model and a real way for you to make money, and you got to put in the work. So we're not looking for any influencers or anyone in particular. We're just looking for people who are just solid and can do great work and are really committed. An influencer fits that 100%, bro.
I want to target everyone and not just entrepreneurs or just self-help and kind of being a celebrity. I think there's a difference between an influencer and a celebrity.
A celebrity is for everyone. We spoke about this on our last call. Oh, I totally get that, man. You can do anything. You gotta do what's best for you at the end of the day. And maybe it doesn't really align with your brands. Maybe it does. I don't know. Maybe it doesn't.